became every so often, and every minute became every now and then. It was always you and me in the front seat. I was more myself with you than I'll ever be. And I can't explain it, but the world changed and you slipped away. And I can't even call you anymore. I can't just stop by your house or laugh till we cry on the back porch. I don't even know where you are now. You don't know what I'm thinking, or what I've been through without you. We don't even know what we're missing. We let go, but we didn't mean to. Oh, when the people you know become the people you knew. If you could see me now, would you recognize me, or see a stranger there with an old familiar face? Could we pick up right where we left off, or did we leave it alone for too long? I can't change that it changed, but I still need you. Oh, but I can't even call you anymore. I can't just stop by your house or laugh till we cry on the back porch. I don't even know where you are now, and you don't know what I'm thinking, or what I've been through without you. We don't even know what we're missing. We let go, but we didn't mean to. Oh, when the people you know become the people you knew. I can't even call you anymore. I wish I held tighter to you. When the people you know become the people you knew, the people you lose, the people you knew.
This dance is called The People You Knew, choreographed by Ria Vos. It's a 32-count, 2-wall, intermediate level, rolling 8-count line dance. There are 2 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with the left foot. Left foot, twinkle step facing 10-30. Cross with a point. Left foot, sailor step, behind with a sweep, weave. Behind side cross, side with a drag, side back rock recover, forward with a 1/8 turn right sweep. Section 2, half turn left demo. Cross, side, 1/8 turn left stepping back, back, 1/8 turn left stepping to side, 1/8 turn left stepping forward. Forward with a slow kick, back basic, back, together, together. Half turn left demo again. Forward, 1-8, turn left, stepping to side, 1-8, turn left, stepping back. Back, 1-8, turn left, stepping to side, 1-8, turn left, stepping forward. Forward with a half turn right, keep weight on your left foot. Forward, full turn to your right. Half turn right, stepping back, half turn right, stepping forward. Section 3, forward and touch your right foot. Back, half turn left, stepping forward, step forward. Forward with a 1-8 turn left hitch. Cross walk, recover, side. Cross with a full turn right, side. Cross walk, recover, side. Cross, unwind, full turn left with a sweep. Section 4, left foot, sailor step, right foot, sailor step, traveling back. Rock back, recover, full turn to your right. Half turn right, stepping back, half turn right, stepping forward. Step left foot forward and raise up your left arm. Quarter turn right, sway to right and angle your body to right. Quarter turn left, stepping forward. Step forward, pivot half turn left. Forward with a drag. Last step. Now let me show you the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and R2. 3 and R4. 5 and R6. 7 and R8. 1 and R2 and R3. 4 and R5 and R6 and R7. 8 and R. 1, 2 and R3. 4 and R5. R6 and R7. 8. 1 and R2 and R3. 4 and R5. 6, 7 and R8. Last count. There are 2 restarts in this dance. The first restart happens on wall 3. You will be facing front wall. Do 10 and R count. Then restart the dance with 1-8 turn left. Now let me show you the wall 3. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and R2. 3 and R4. 5 and R6. 7 and R8. 1 and R2 and R. These are 10 and R count. Then we start with a 1-8 turn left. 1 and R2 at 6 o'clock. The other restart happens on wall 6. You'll be facing back wall. Again, do 10 and R count. Then we start the dance. 1 and R2. 3 and R4. 5 and R6. 7 and R8. 1 and R2 and R. Then do a 1-8 turn left. Restart at 12 o'clock. 1 and R2. That's wall 6 restart. That's the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.